Today we're going to be having a look at these NOMA fairy lights. Now this is actually a little bit of a bonus video because I'm using these in a upcoming video coming out next weekend, and they're going to be used for a different project, but I thought they deserved their own video because although they are quite plain, they're also quite interesting in a way. These are quite a heavily used shade in the NOMA back catalogue. They did them like this in coloured. Actually, just roll the archive. So these are NOMA fairy lights. They are just plain, push-in, coloured sets of 20. They may have been available in 40, I'm not too sure. And they come with these flower-shaped shades. They're like petalled. I honestly thought this was an incomplete set. It looked like there was something missing because there's not much shade compared to bulb. There's a lot of real estate here, and I was wondering, are these a set of foil or pom-pom type lights that have had that part of the light removed at some point? Back into the archive again. NOMA heavily used these moulds for multiple sets of lights. So they used them as sets of 40 Highland crystals. They may have been available in a set of 20. I've only got pictures for a set of 40. They've got the exact same mould of shade, but they're all clear, and they have a silver foil backing. And then they also use them on their poinsettia lights. Again, this is another set of 40. They may have been available in set of 20, I don't know. And they had two different box styles for this one. So it was obviously a long-serving set of lights in their catalogue. Again, like the Highland shades, rather than clear, they were all red shades, and they had the poinsettia petals on the back. So they were quite well used. Now we'll talk about the project I'm going to use these for next week. They've got the unusually oversized fuse bulb that you sometimes got on NOMA lights. Just for a comparison, I will remove this red shade. So you can see it's a really odd bulb. So that's your standard bulb. And there's your oversized fuse bulb. Weird. I'm sure there were other makers who did this. I've got some icicle lights that use this particular oversized fuse bulb. So it's obviously been used by others. A little bit like Pivco, sometimes they must get other designs and just slap their name on it from the factories where they're produced. These are bayonet fit shades. These particular lights NOMA used heavily over the years. These push-in sets, they came with this light green cable, the traditional green cable, but like on the pictures of the Highland crystals and the poinsettia lights, they also came with thin dark cable before they went to full thick dark cable in the 90s. So let's get them turned on. Hopefully they work. There's a few suspect bulbs in this set, so I'm not holding my breath for smooth sailing. Don't work. Let's have a little look. Unravel them properly so I can do a diagnosis. Unfortunately, the whole set is live. I can't identify which one is blown, so I'm just going to swap the terminals over in the plug. Just bear with me. Okay, take two. I've rewired the terminals, or swapped the terminals over on the set of lights, so hopefully we'll be able to identify our... See, no, it's not beeping at the end, so we've got a fault midway somewhere. Mr. Green, What secrets are you hiding? Nothing major as it stands. If you saw the fault finding video the other week where all the little terminals were snapping off, that was weird. Okay, Mr. Green is happy. The rest of the set is not. Okay, Mr. Pink. Oh. Well, that's not me painting it, that's just overpaint from the factory. Strange. Something strange going on here. Just make sure that the you're not getting supply. Make sure the terminals are getting touched. The set doesn't like this bulb for some strange reason, and I don't know why. It has blown. You can see, it has blown. Not a spare bulb. So we've got a few bulbs out on this set. I don't know why. Where's this one? Oh, this one's blown as well. You can see that one's got a broken filament. Any of the others working? No. So we need a few bulbs on this one. We need 1, 2, 3. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 bulbs. And I think the reason the set wasn't working with this pink bulb is possibly when it's blown, there's some strands across here, and that's what keeps the bulb lit. So the bulb blows, but continuity goes across these wires just above the bead that separates the terminals. And I'm wondering whether when that's popped, it sent enough of a surge through and popped those as well. So we've lost full continuity on that bulb. So goodbye to you. These lights, I can't have them on too long because that fuse bulb is desperately bright. But we've got them working again. A little bit of fault finding. Let's have a quick look at the colours before I turn them off. Got the fuse bulb, the ridiculously sized fuse bulb. Sorry about the flicker. Got this red, which has an orange bulb on it. Got blue, very chipped and faded, needs a bit of work. Got this pink. I can smell the heat coming off these lights. They're not happy. Green. There's a lot of fade and crackle on that. It doesn't show up on camera, but it's a little bit yellow on this angle. There's a yellow. More of an orange colour to me, I would say. And then we do have a red one that's working, and it's this one. We've got a little bit of refraction from these lights. It's not too bad. It's actually quite good. The shades are actually focusing the light downwards. But yeah, there you go. NOMA fairy lights. They need some work. In fact, hold that thought. Let's not end the video on an incomplete set. There we go, that's much better. Brightness has been dimmed. And now the entire set works. The fuse bulb isn't glaring as much as it was. You can see the flicker has reduced on the camera. So yeah, there we go. Come on, stay still. NOMA fairy lights. Bit plain looking, got them working. I'm not going to use these lights as is, so we're going to use them in next week's video for a semi-restoration recommissioning of another set of lights. So until then, I'll catch you on the next one.